Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you on how to make a report as a class teacher. Here you come, you open your Excel, go to where you have created the list of students. Here I have 5 students with their marks for science, SST and maths, and I want to get the total. You type equal sign and then sum, open bracket, you come to C2 to E2 and then you close the bracket, you enter, you get the total for the first student and then you autofill for the rest of the students, and then getting the average marks of each student, equal sign average, and type average, and then you open bracket. With this you get the average and then you enter and get the average for the first student, and then you autofill for the rest of the students. And then after giving the average, after getting the total, you get the average and you come to giving position. For position you go to rank, open bracket, C2, comma, C2 to C6, and then you close, and then you insert the dollar sign in between them, and then enter, and this one you will give what the position of each student, and then you autofill for the rest of the students. And then by this you can also give the comment. You can also type the comment manually, but you're using computer, so you're giving the comment. You use if function. If, you open bracket, you use average. If less than 40, comma, you open quotation, meaning if the average is less than 40, the student is repeating, and then you close the quotation, comma, if, open bracket, G2 is greater than 45, comma, you open quotation, promoted. That means if your average is above 45, you are promoted, and then you close the quotation, close. And then you enter. See, this one is about 45, promoted, you autofill and get this. And then you can also use this to get the highest the highest score in each of the subjects. You come here and you type IS, and then you can also get for the lowest. You come here, you type equal sign max, you use maximum, the maximum in science, tap here, and then you close enter. You can see the highest marks in science is this, and then you can also get for the lowest, you get minimum, from C2 down to C6. Enter. You do like that for all the subjects. This is for SST. Close. And then for minimum, open bracket, close, enter. You can also do the same for maths. You can see it's simpler to use it. And this is our report card for each student. You are going to end here for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You save